Hey everybody, and welcome back to Front-End Expert. This video will be the introduction to the React crash course. This crash course will be a bit different than the other crash courses on Front-End Expert. The HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and web development fundamentals crash courses all focus on core principles of front-end development with an emphasis on common interview topics. However, this entire crash course will be devoted to the React JavaScript library. As such, this course will be building upon those core principles from the other courses and showing how to apply them in a more realistic scenario by using one of the most popular libraries out there. React is an incredibly powerful tool for building user interfaces, and it solves many of the traditional problems that come up with vanilla front-end development. So in this crash course, we will start with the basics of creating our first Hello World application, and we will work all the way up to some of the newest features and the industry best practices. With regards to front-end interviews, there is a good chance that you won't actually be asked any questions specific to React. Most of the big tech companies tend to focus on the fundamentals, and they use vanilla programming in their interviews, with the idea that they can teach you whatever frameworks or libraries they use on the job. However, with smaller and medium-sized companies, it can be far more likely to be tested on the libraries that they use, as they are often a core part of the job description. And with React being one of the most widely used libraries, this crash course should prepare you for front-end interviews at those companies expecting knowledge in the library. And even for companies that don't explicitly ask questions on React, the patterns we will show throughout this crash course can be valuable outside of the React ecosystem. And not to mention that React is just an incredibly valuable skill to have, and it is very likely that you will eventually work on a React project at some point in your career. Okay, so with that said, I hope this introduction gave you a good idea of the purpose of this crash course and what to expect from it. So let's get right into it, and I'll see you in the first video.